All right, let's delve into a powerful breathing technique that can help you manage stress and anxiety effectively. This technique is called diaphragmatic breathing, and it's a simple yet powerful tool that can have a profound impact on your well-being. First, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes if it helps you relax. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. As you inhale, focus on expanding your stomach like a balloon, allowing your diaphragm to fully engage. Feel your stomach rise as you fill your lungs with air. Next, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting out all the air from your lungs. As you exhale, imagine releasing all the tension and stress from your body. Feel your stomach deflate as you expel the air. Continue this slow, deep breathing pattern for several breaths. Focus on the sensation of your breath flowing in and out of your body. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your stomach with each inhale and exhale. As you practice diaphragmatic breathing, you may notice several effects on your body and mind. Number 1, relaxation. Diaphragmatic breathing activates your body's parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response. This helps counteract the effects of the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's fight or flight response to stress. As a result, you'll feel more relaxed and at ease. Number 2, reduce stress and anxiety. By engaging in slow, deep breathing, you signal to your brain that it's safe to relax. This can help lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in your body, leading to a decrease in overall stress and anxiety levels. Number 3, improved oxygenation. Deep breathing allows you to take in more oxygen, which is essential for optimal brain function and overall health. Increased oxygenation can help clear your mind, improve concentration, and boost energy levels. Number 4, lowered heart rate and blood pressure. Diaphragmatic breathing has been shown to lower heart rate and blood pressure, two key physiological markers of stress. By promoting relaxation and reducing tension in the body, this breathing technique can help regulate these vital signs and promote cardiovascular health. Number 5, enhanced emotional regulation. Deep breathing can help you gain better control over your emotions by calming the body's physiological response to stress. When you feel overwhelmed or anxious, taking a few moments to practice diaphragmatic breathing can help you regain composure and approach challenging situations with a clearer. Number 6, improved sleep quality. Practicing diaphragmatic breathing before bedtime can help prepare your body and mind for sleep. By inducing a state of relaxation, this breathing technique can promote deeper, more restful sleep, leading to improved overall sleep quality and better mood and cognitive function during the day. Number 7, increased mindfulness and presence. Focusing on your breath during diaphragmatic breathing cultivates mindfulness, the practice of being fully present in the moment. By anchoring your attention to the sensations of your breath, you can train your mind to let go of distractions and worries, leading to a greater sense of clarity and inner peace. Incorporating diaphragmatic breathing into your daily routine can have profound benefits for your physical and mental well-being, whether you're dealing with everyday stressors or managing chronic anxiety. This simple yet effective technique can help you cultivate a greater sense of calm, resilience, and overall happiness in your life. So take a few moments each day to breathe deeply and let go of tension, knowing that you have the power to nurture your own well-being through the simple act of breathing.